Hey guys, how y'all doing? I'm gonna do this quick live. So have you ever heard of income shifting? Have you ever heard of income shifting? Type yes or no in the chat below. And I got some notes here that I'm gonna follow to make this live as best as I can get it. Short and sweet and to the point. So if you're hopping on, just let me know where you're watching from. Y'all like my hair? Doing something different. Just experimenting. So, yeah. Have you ever heard of income shifting? So I'm going to share with you the 5 strategies, okay, that make up income shifting. It's just a way to keep more money in your pocket. So, if you come on, just so my name is Diana. Empowering women to build wealth online. That's what I do. It's really important, right? That we talk about income shifting. Everybody needs to be income shifting. Why? Well, 75% of Americans are struggling financially, right? They're one paycheck away from not being able to pay their rent. 75% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. The number one cause of divorce is money issues. So we've got to talk about money. So just tell me where you're watching from when you come on. And if you don't mind, just share this with somebody you know who could use this information on how to keep more of their money in their pocket. Okay? It's one thing to earn more money, which we need to be doing, but let's say you're at your job, you get a raise, now you're earning more money, but you're paying more taxes. So you're not really able to keep that money that you've earned, and So I'm going to get right into the 5 strategies when it comes to income shifting. I like to share strategies that are going to help women increase their cash flow. I think, whatever you're doing, even if you have a rich husband, that's like the extreme. You got a rich husband, you still need to earn your own money or learn whatever, he's doing and do that. What's going on?
That cooking was hard for me.
Okay. What are y'all doing?
They're going to be making some more food for the ants.
Okay. Go back down and help them. I'm going to finish this live. I'm working right now.
Oh, can you come in?
Well, you can exit.
Exit what?
That'll help the room.
Why?
Let me finish. Or be quiet. So, did you find Uncle Alex? Did you find Uncle Alex?
No, I'm going to go get a snack from the fridge.
You were not hungry. You just ate.
I know, but
All right, so let's get into it. I'm going to get into these strategies, right? This is what you need to be implementing.
Strategies?
Hey, exit right now. Because I told you to be quiet. Exit.
Okay,
Hurry. Go see what they're doing.
I already know what they're doing.
Go see what they're doing so that I can have this room quiet so I can finish this. Because you're just going to do what you want. You're not going to listen. So let's get into the 5 strategies, okay? As it pertains to increasing your cash flow, creating financial freedom, keeping more of your money in your pocket. The first strategy, let's get into it. And I just wanted to ask you, what is your financial goals? What are you struggling with? Right? Are you paying too much in taxes? Maybe you're a high income earner and you're paying too much in taxes, or yeah. And so therefore you don't have the money that you want to be able to, maybe pay debt. Maybe, I don't know if you want to pay off debt quicker, or if you want to build investments faster. I heard recently that a lot of people that are the age of 65 they are looking at their retirement accounts and they don't have enough money to retire. They're going to have to work some more, or after they retire, get a job, right? A retirement job. So that's a problem. So it starts now. So if you're around, I'm 34. So if you're 25 to 44, you need to be investing right now. For sure, your money needs to be growing. Okay, a problem we have is inflation. So no matter, even if you do get a pay raise, okay, now you're paying more in taxes and you got inflation, the cost of everything has gone up. So you're just going to still feel like you're not able to get ahead financially. You're still going to have all your debt, right? The consumer debt that you have. You're still, there's things that you want to enhance your lifestyle, but you're not able to, right? Because you don't have the funds to do it, you definitely want to be investing, that is a solution. And that's one of the strategies, okay? So I'm going to get into it. So I'm going to go over the first strategy, okay? You absolutely, this is the first strategy in income shifting, you need to correct your tax withholding. So there's 100 million Americans who are overpaying in taxes. They receive a refund every year. And that simply means you're overpaying in taxes. So all you need to do, I know a lot of people are scared, and when I was working, I didn't know about this. I didn't know about, hey, thanks for watching. Hey, where you watching from? But yeah, I didn't know anything. I didn't know I was overpaying in taxes. So you definitely want to revisit your W-4. Just go to the IRS.gov website, click on the withholding calculator, and they have it so easy now, set up so easy to where you can just answer some questions, have your paycheck stub with you, answer these questions, and you'll understand how much taxes you need to be paying, how much taxes you may be overpaying, and minimize those and use that money throughout the year to reach your goals, right? So that's the first strategy. That's what I want you to do. I want you to go to the IRS after this live, the next chance you get, do that, okay? And then the second strategy is you want to minimize your taxes. So you have to have a business. If you want to get ahead in this economy, you've got to have a business. If you have a business, great. If you don't have a business, you need to get a business, okay? And I can help you with that, right? There's something that I can help you with to just get you in the game, right? Get you in the game. You don't have to create an LLC or anything like that. Just you as a sole proprietor can start a business and have rights to tax deductions, right? And one thing I want to point out with those tax deductions, you have to document. You have to have proper documentation. So one of the things, so I'm a part of a membership, okay? So I'm able to use a cash flow manager, right? So I can see what my cash flow is, and then I can adjust as need be. But at least you got to know what your cash flow is looking like. You got to know how much income you have versus how many expenses. And then if you're a business owner, or if you want to become a business owner, you need to keep proper documentation, keep receipts, be organized so that you can actually get these tax deductions, which can save you money in taxes. Okay, and then the third strategy, right, is debt elimination. So you'll save on interest, right? When you pay off your debt, especially credit card debt, you'll save a lot of money if you pay more than the minimum on those. Get those balances to under 30% utilization. Okay, under 30% utilization. Get those balances down. Pay your balances down. That's going to help you save money and interest. Okay. And then the fourth strategy is to build great credit. So that's going to save you on interest. When you have good credit, it's going to allow you easier time when you need, if you're going to rent, especially if you're going to buy a home, you need to have good credit, right? So that lenders can trust you, right? Their level of trust. Okay. So you definitely want to do that. And then the fifth strategy is investment education. Okay. We talked about inflation earlier. You have got to learn how to invest, because it can be very risky if you don't understand what you're investing into. And there's a lot of different types of investments, right? And we won't go on into that on this live, but yeah, I just wanted to, share with you all and just recap and just say, if you're hopping on now, just tell me where you're watching from. If you're watching a replay, tell me where you're watching from. And one thing I want to ask you to do is share this live. A lot of people don't know about income shifting. It could have helped me out a lot. Some years ago, I was working a job and I was living paycheck to paycheck. I was one of those Americans living paycheck to paycheck and just couldn't figure out how to get ahead financially. I didn't know about debt. I didn't know about interest. I didn't know about minimizing my taxes. I didn't know about having a business and how much that can save you on taxes, right? And I found out this information. I found out about income shifting, and it completely changed my mindset, right? So it completely changed my mindset. I've been a part of this income shifting membership since like 2018, and it's really helped me. Now it's really helped me with the education. That's the number one thing. You have to understand money. It really helps with that, and then it gives me, you need to implement what you're learning. So for me, I'm able to implement what I'm learning. My favorite thing to use is the cash flow manager, just to know what I'm doing with my money. And every month I can see what's going on with my cash flow. And then I also love the support, because achieving financial freedom, it can be hard to do it alone. So you definitely want some help and you want support, and you want to be around people who are doing better than you financially, right? And so definitely share this if you know somebody who is working a job, even if they have a business. You may not. Actually, there's a lot of business owners who are still overpaying in taxes because they don't know about the over 400 tax deductions that they could take advantage of, right? So that is what I got for you today. That is income shifting. I'm going to recap these 5 strategies that you want to use to income shift that you can do. Is number 1, you can go ahead and go and adjust your W-4. So if you work a job, go ahead and go to the irs.gov website and click on the withholding calculator, fill out the information with your check stub in hand. And if you choose, you can instead of getting a refund, you can get your money throughout the year. And then the second strategy is minimize your taxes. So if you have a business, start keeping proper records, keeping receipts, and not a shoebox full of receipts. I'm going to show you how to do it digitally, make it easy, clean, and definitely documentation is key. And receipts do equal cash when you're a business owner. If you don't have a business and you're looking for a business to start, I can definitely help you with that. And the third is debt elimination. Obviously, eliminate that bad debt, right? And that'll save you on interest. Fourth, build up your credit. And fifth,
we got some frogs.
Oh my gosh.
We caught some frogs.
Oh wow. Oh no. Oh. Dada?
No, yo lo hice.
What? They got frogs. And then number 5, investment education. You got to grow your money, or inflation will eat your money alive. All those tax savings and all the savings, they'll get eaten up by inflation. So you want to be investing. So if you want to learn, right? Thanks for watching. Share this video if you don't mind. Again, my name is Diana. I'm on a financial freedom journey. I'm just sharing what I'm learning. My story, you can learn more about it if you want to learn about income shifting. You can actually just go to the link in my bio. There's a button that says, what is income shifting? Click on it, get more information, but you can take what I share with you today and run with it and save you some money, grow your money. And thank you so much for watching. Click that link in my bio, learn about income shifting, and I will see you on the other side. Bye. Thanks for watching.